Foundation repairs come in all shapes and sizes, and knowing the right type can save you a ton of stress and cash. So, if your house is showing signs of foundation trouble, you gotta know your options. First off, pier and beam repair is pretty common for homes that have that type of foundation. It involves adding or fixing those support piers under your house to keep things steady. Then there's slabjacking, also called mudjacking, where they pump a special grout under a sunken concrete slab to lift it back up. Super handy if your driveway or floor is sinking. Underpinning is another one, which means strengthening your foundation by extending it deeper or wider, especially when the soil underneath isn't doing its job. Crack injection is a solid fix for those annoying foundation cracks. They pump epoxy or polyurethane right into the crack to seal it and keep water out. Also, drainage correction is a big deal because bad water flow around your house can wreck your foundation over time. Making sure gutters and grading direct water away is key. Always start by spotting the problem early, like uneven floors or cracks in walls. And make sure you get a pro to check things out before you start anything. You don't want to mess with this stuff on your own. Lastly, keep an eye on your yard's water flow during heavy rain. Sometimes just fixing that can prevent bigger foundation issues. One of the biggest mistakes with foundation repair is ignoring the problem until it gets way worse. That usually means more expensive fixes and even structural damage. To fix this, catch problems early by checking your home regularly and calling a specialist at the first sign of trouble. Another common issue is hiring unlicensed or inexperienced contractors who might do a sloppy job. Always check reviews, ask for credentials, and get multiple quotes before picking someone. The third mistake is overlooking drainage problems. Even the best repair won't last if water keeps pooling around your foundation. Make sure to improve gutters, downspouts, and soil grading so water flows away from your home properly. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without all the headache. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for both sides to get the job done right.